Welcome guys, welcome to episode 3 of the Volvo 164. I've removed the shocks and it doesn't really look good, but we already know that. I already have the new parts for this in the back, over there. So to show you, I bought it online from Nordicar in the Netherlands. This is the part number. This is for the right side and it's going to fit in here. It's absolutely incredible that these parts are still being made. It's a lot thicker than original. Going to have to remove a lot of rust pieces over here and just bake this part back in. I also bought some new pieces for here because I had a lot of rust over here. Duct taped it because maybe some water get in. And this is going to fit over here. It's a perfect fit. It's really good. I might replace the whole part or just only over here and maybe this part. Everyone's asleep. It's about midnight. See the moon over there. I'm cleaning everything up that I used, and let's get this sucker inside. They are stuck. Time to replace these cables, because number one is kind of broken. First thought, just use your originals, but don't get a new one. Looks like I have to replace them too. Also getting a new gasket from here. Easy to remove. He's just completely stuck on there. He's coming. He's coming. Hello. Watch out. Come on. Not work. I know. How did I get this in here? No. This is stuck. Real hard. She just don't want to come off. I try to hit it really hard, but she's still stuck in there. She's holding strong. Just going to try and hit it more and more until she comes off, because I really want to rebuild them. There she is, finally. Need to remove these hoses. God damn it. At least I dropped it. But she's off. Damn. Whew. Going to replace the wheel bearings. The other episode. Might remove this and powder coat it, or just replace it because also almost completely rusted. I also went to a car meeting with a lot of 240s, 245s, with a lot of really nice guys. I really had fun with them. Here are some pictures.